How to add songs in your Spotify playlist. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can add songs in your Spotify playlist. So in order to add songs in your Spotify playlist, simply launch a Spotify application, and then if you are in the home tab, you will need to click onto this your library option. Now from your library option you can go to any playlist. For example, let's say I have this playlist right here, and I can simply add music to this by clicking onto this add to this playlist option. Once I'll tap onto this, you can see that I can search for any song that I want, or also I can search or add from these recommendations as well. So let's say we can add any song, so let us search for any song and see if we can add it or how we can add it. So you can add any song by simply typing in the name and then clicking onto this tick mark option, and let's say this is the song that I want to add, so I can simply click onto this plus icon, and now you can see that this song has been successfully added to my playlist. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.